Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex LIVE-TRadeify, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the LIVE-TRadeify flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out LIVE-TRadeify. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the Pine Tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah.
What's happening? What's up? What's up? Holy cow! Did YM finally? I've been talking about this for 3 weeks. It's finally pushing down into this open gap. It's like a holiday. Ask me if I capitalized on any of this. No, not really. I mean, a little bit. Unbelievable. What we got up in here? Eternal, ES, Zamar, ES Futures. It's Mo, bro. Real Robot, Sonic Rules, Michelle, Digital Nukes, iTrades, Tony Gold, Miss K. What is up? Miss Trend Surfer, Mahmood. What's going on, everyone? So a nice little day on the take profit trader accounts. It's going to close it at the open. I don't know. I mean, do we think that it has enough volume to push down YM? Maybe New York open, right? But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Tricky. Had that massive push up at the open. Started to rip some faces off, and then finally got enough liquidity to come back down, and it's headed down towards that open gap. This is from, let's see when this gap was. Let's scroll way back. Way back. It's actually sitting in the gap. Or just above it, I mean. This is from August 2nd. So this is the YM gap. It's a good size. 200 something points. Yeah, just over 200 points. It's gonna be a good target. It's definitely a good target to take. Time for Friday to reverse a what? Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, yes. So I'll talk about the can't speak. Tired. I'll talk about what I did today real quick. So these are the daily payout accounts. This is what I did today. 332 times 4 plus 659. It's another banger day for the take profit trader accounts. I'm definitely on a hot streak, which is a beautiful thing. Lucid accounts. I kind of screwed up on this account. I made too much money. I didn't mean to. I forgot about it. I tried to make $1,500. I ended up making $1,615. I totally screwed that up. So I'm gonna have to make more money to get that one passed if I do. And then this account, I just took a little base hit of 150 bucks. So absolutely been demolishing the take profit trader accounts. Really having a good day on that. What's up, Mopar? Thank you. Jip Smith, Sinister Scalper. QQQ and Spy have a gap to fill too. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Zero, what's up? So you can see the accounts. This is the calendar. Take profit trader. These are the pro accounts that I have been working on, and so you can see just absolutely. This is actually not even updated for today. That was earlier. I ended up making a little bit more money, but yeah, just slinging around those accounts. Really feel content having 5 take profit trader accounts over the buffer and taking those daily payouts. So really happy with that, the way that's been going. What have you been trading for the base hits? So if you were watching this morning, I ended up showing a few trades. Well, I took a few trades. Oh, let me see if I can find them. 2 shorts this morning. My Funded Futures, yeah, I mean, I took them on stream, and then I took a few in the afternoon, but the majority of them were... Oh yeah, this was the one right here. This was the main one. Turn down my music a little bit. this outside candle right here. So here's the open, 8:30, 9:30 Eastern time. You see, we had a nice little push up. We reversed it. We came back down, broke down below this Harami candle. I ended up going short off this outside candle on live on My Funded Futures TV, and went short to take out the 5-minute opening range candle, or the 2-minute opening range candle, whatever. Doesn't really matter what candle, but it was the opening range candle. If you look at the 5-minute right here, we pushed up, we came down below, ended up going short for a nice little scalp. My target was below this candle right here. I love targeting opposite sides of those ORBs. I actually do it a lot during Globex as well. Well, I'll target that. And then when we were doing the round table, I ended up taking a short off the Harami right, I think right in here. Yeah, right around in here. Ended up taking the short off this Harami candle, went short, and caught another nice move. Had the accounts up over $200 something at that point, and then I ended up just trading a little bit more in the afternoon. I don't even remember what I ended up locking out. So I used the manual lockout button. I ended up locking out 4 of the accounts, and then I just traded 1 account to mess around with, and then I ended up trading a little bit, just scalping around at the end during the power hour, but it wasn't anything significant. I think I ended up making like a couple $100 more, but I was trading minis at that point. During all through the New York Open, I was just trading micros. So that was it. That's pretty much it, Magic Trader. I traded them individually to get over the buffer. Yes. And now I'm copy trading them. Yep. I trade them individually to get over the buffer. Yep. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. JR says, Disciplined Trader, what's up? Offrey, what's going on? Do I ever trade a personal account from the payouts? No, I don't. It really doesn't. I mean, I do a little bit, but not really. I just feel like when I have those take profit trader accounts, at the end of the day, what I'm truly risking still is $100 per account. So let's just say I'm risking $550 total. You know, that's what the accounts cost me, and then, you know, and I've gotten thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of payouts out of those accounts. And so there's really just no reason. I just don't. All I do is if I have any money left over at the end of the month, I just stick it into a dividend account, and after I pay the bills, and that's what I do. I just stick it in a dividend account and trade the props. I will tell you, any affiliates, you guys want some controversy? Here we go. I'm not going to name names, but any affiliate that trades that is an affiliate with prop firms that says they just trade a personal account, there's a reason for it. Can anyone guess the reason for it, trading a personal account and then not trading prop accounts? There is a reason. Being in this business, I know the reason. Bear Trader in the house, Brian Tang, Adrian Chong, Jesus, what's up? Let's get the market opening up here. I'm looking for my $150. Let's see if I can get it. Get a little gap up here. Well, I got 136.50 off that one. Need a little bit more. Switch to the micros here. Ooh. Looking for 150 bucks. Let's get it. Booyah. 163.50. Cha-ching. Do you mean you hedging on personal and could be different reasons? Jinzo, what's going on? Jinjo, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, not to name names or anything, but yeah, they definitely do that. But the other reason is just simple fact that they don't have to spend any money. They just don't have to spend any money on prop firms. And so let's just say they have a budget, they throw in a $500 personal account. They're trading a personal, that they're bragging that they're trading a personal, and they just throw in $500 in that account. And oh, I'm only trading a personal account. I'm doing a small account challenge. All this BS. The reality is, it's just so they don't have to spend any money. They don't have to put their money where their mouth is. They're not buying evaluations. They're not doing any of that stuff. But that is a good point, Jinzo. That is another reason. So bang, another $150 locked in on Lucid. What day am I on? Is that day 4 or 5? That'd be sweet if this is a payout. Let's see. I can't remember. Which is probably a good thing because I didn't really feel any pressure whether that was day 4 or day 5. Let's see here. Lucid funded. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's day 5. No, it's not. It's day 4. Sorry. Day 4. Here it is. So I got one more day. I got to do it Sunday night. Guys, that little trade's been working like magic. That's all these trades right here, these flip days. This 1, 2, 3. These flip days have been that trade right there that I just took. So we open up. What's YM doing? You son of a bitch. What are you doing, YM? Are you going down into that gap that I've been watching for 3 weeks? I just want to short this, man. I just want to short it and swing it. Just like leave it on some account, but I just don't know what account. Maybe the personal, right? Just throw it on a YM short and see if we can get down into that 52,570. But man, so anyways, yeah, I was working on that Lucid payout. Oh yeah, I was gonna do the till the market open. I was gonna do the start the giveaway thing. We will give away an account, 50K LIVE-TRadeify. There we go. Hey, what's up, Sleepy Mocha in the house, Magic Trader? Mopar, the sweet fade, that fade is sweet, Ray GT. Yeah, it works pretty well, right? So you open up with a little gap, and I'm not talking like, you know, a 300 point, 200 point gap like YM did the other night. I'm talking like a smaller one. Let's lock this account up so I don't accidentally trade it. No need to keep trading that account. Let's lock that. So you're saying QQQs and SPYs have an open gap, huh? Someone was saying in the chat. That is interesting. YM just hovering around that gap. Like before you type. Yes, Miss K said, OMH, what's going on? Prop firms provide tilt protection. Yeah, for sure. Fine, I blew all my funded in the past few days. Oh, MLE. That's all right, MLE. I mean, it happens. It's gonna happen. I mean, I lose accounts all the time. And then every once in a while, you'll just start going on a win streak, which is always a good thing. But yeah, I mean, I lose funded accounts too. It's part of the journey, part of the game, you know. What's up, TJP? Might fill throughout the night, maybe even at open. Yeah, I don't know. It is very frustrating. I just hope I'm not sleeping. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. We're going to give away a Tradeify 50K select account, and we're going to do a members only race tonight. Really makes me want to short YM for a swing though. I'd love to see YM get a nice little pop up and reversal. That's the funny thing is that's exactly what I talked about today. But every time I went short, I got beat up. So yeah, I took a few losing trades on my funded futures as well. The winning trades were all on Nasdaq. YM kind of slapped me around a bit. I kept trying to short YM, and every single time it do one of these numbers, it'd pop right back up. I tried to short again, and then it'd pop right back up. And then the time I was off stream and not even looking at the charts, it finally rolled over and went the direction towards that open gap that I had been talking about. So very, very frustrating. Definitely did not make it easy. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Nasdaq getting a little push down here. Down about 16 points. YM up about 9 points. Working on that Lucid payout. Love to get another Lucid pass. I want to get maxed out with Lucid. Get 5. Hurts badly. 7 funded gone in 2 days. Were you copy trading them or? Dream Hunter, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate the support, guys. Guys, going on 10,000 subs. How about that? Can't believe it. Thank you so much for tuning in every single night. Were you copy trading those accounts, Ali, or were you just trading them individually? Yeah, I'll never do it again. Yeah, so yeah, okay. So I mean, you know things that you got to do differently. That's okay. I mean, it's definitely okay. Monica, we should dump to at least 29,140 area. I kind of agree. It feels bearish. I've been pretty much bearish all day. Most of everything I kept shorting, even YM. The only things I really won on was NQ though. Hey, what's up, Johnny Buys Land? Capital Preservation Friday starts today. That is true. That is true. Jim Cramer visits Micron's R&D chip factory in Boise, Idaho, after declaring the stock can double from current levels. Oh boy. Time to short, right? Digital nukes. That's the sign. That's the catalyst. Apple, what's going on? That's 50% retracement on one-day candles from top to bottom. Oh, interesting, Monica. Cali St. Louis fan in the house. What's going on? Copy trading is for experienced traders. Yeah, I tend to agree with you. So I don't usually copy trade unless I'm over those over buffers. I've had some really good success copy trading Apex accounts, you know, when you have a lot of them, but I'll be very honest with you. I was risking like 300 a day, and I was trying to make like 200 or 300 a day, and I was only trading YM and RTY, actually, righty. I never well, I don't want to say never. I'm pretty sure I never really touched NQ. I was just kind of systematically just looking for $200 or $300, and I just kept doing it over, and I ended up stringing together like 13 to 14 days where I had a nice 13, 14 days of wins, and then I had some losses in there and ended up getting a really nice payout. But yeah, very, very difficult to copy trade. So all my take profit trader accounts, I don't, until I'm over the buffer, I just do it one at a time, and I just try to push it. And then once they're over, I've been copy trading them. But trading small, you know, 2, 3 micros. I'm not gonna really say 1 micro. It's more, you can see right here, it's more about 2, sometimes 3, 4. But really, that's pretty much been it. And just kind of scalping around, and then using the volatility at the New York Open, because you can see it, you know, going up 30 points, going down 30 points, up 50, down 20. It's kind of like slinging around, and I'm keeping a really loose stop loss, like very, very loose. And if I see $50, $100 or more, then I just take profit, and then I'll look for a next trade. And then I'm just trying to get up to like that $200 or $300 mark. So that's the recipe that's been working lately. Now, it's not to say that I won't come to you guys next Sunday and say, guess what I did on Friday? I blew my take profit trader accounts, because I've yet to be able to walk away on a red day yet. I haven't had any red days. It's been all green for the most part. So it's gonna be the challenge when I get underwater. So I haven't tested that end of the pool yet. So far, I've been swimming around in the shallow end. I haven't gone into the deep end of the pool. So the latency has been ridiculous. Yeah, I've heard it's been pretty bad. What's up, Smokey? Good. Another TPT daily payout day. So I'm very happy. City vibes, keep making some same mistakes. Yeah. Expecting a nice dump tonight. Yeah, could be. Linda in the house. Linda NQ. All right, so if you guys are just tuning in, we took a nice little scalp off the open, and now I'm sitting on my hands to see what else we can get. So I am from the state of Maine, Sean, MMXM, hence my name, Pine Tree Trader. That's where I get it, from the Pine Tree State. That's where my hometown is. Yeah, great August so far. Yeah, really, I have, yep. Yeah, before August started, I said my goal was to try to go and get those payouts over, get those TPTs over the buffer. Like, that was the goal. So you guys saw me, I went through a bunch of evals. Matter of fact, I have one eval that's sitting there dormant, that's passed with TPT. So far, I haven't needed it. That's the reason why I've been slinging around that one account. So I'll have that 1 out of the 5 that I just been pushing the button on a little bit more and seeing what I can do with it. So let's go all green, Smokey. Nice. Hey, hard hat trading. Last week I blew my 5 TPT Pro accounts. Copy trading, new rule. Only after the buffer and 2 micros max. Yes. Yeah, that's very similar to what I'm trying to do, hard hat. So I like the plan. Blew 5 TPT Pros copy trading. But yeah, once you get over the buffer, then just kind of sling around the micros. I wish I could just lock myself from doing anything more than 3 micros, because really that's all you, it's really all you need during the New York Open, for sure. Yeah, be in Portland, but in November, but Portland, Oregon. I've never been to the West Coast. I'm making a plan to go to the West Coast soon, so that'll be fun. The era of cheap used cars is rapidly disappearing. Keep the Corolla safe at all costs. It's really true. I probably could make money on my Corolla. I love that car. I've been letting my dad drive it. My dad drives it around. Okay, I'm in Texas. We are the Piney Woods. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks, Smokey. Appreciate that. Yeah, just trying to keep my head straight. Trading a little bit smaller. It's been more difficult. A bit of an adjustment, but in a way, it's keeping me a little more disciplined. Trading every morning on My Funded Futures. It has been keeping me a little more disciplined because 30 minutes up until I go on the stream, I'm usually getting ready, and then I hop on about 15 minutes before the stream opens in the morning, just to make sure the camera and the microphone is working, and then I chill out and talk in the back room with Husk and Myth and Tom and Terry, and then it's been, and I'm not really trading. Usually it's keeping me a lot more disciplined. And then so it's been working out pretty good. Now I need to work on some more accounts, so I'm not so focused on those pros, but and utilizing the lockout button. So the lockout button has been a nice savior. I wish My Funded Futures had the lockout button, but they don't. But that's okay. I just wish they did. But utilizing that lockout button, you'll see me even utilizing it here on the stream, locking myself out for an hour or so on certain accounts, just so I don't touch them. But yeah, 007 in the house. What's up, Lit? Kelly Kaufman, what's going on? Zabak. His trade today, Zabak. It's not good. Might want to have that checked. Did my old man's foot heal up? Yeah, he's feeling better. He got some new shoes. He's feeling much better, thanks. Mood, the lockout button is saved from blowing 2 accounts. Yeah. It definitely will save your bacon for sure. It's once you know yourself as a trader and as a person, and you know when you're feeling like, ooh, maybe I shouldn't be trading, or maybe I shouldn't be, or maybe I should just lock it up for the day. I mean, many of you kind of have that feeling, I'm sure, and you know that it's happening, but then do you actually go in and lock yourself out? And especially on accounts that, when I say lock yourself out, some accounts you don't have that option. So do you have the discipline to walk away and shut the computer down and go away from the monitors at all? Very, very difficult. It's the most difficult thing. This is why trading and doing this stuff is one of the most difficult things you can do, because it's just all psychological. So by hitting that manual lockout button, that just forces you. It's like maxing out the credit card where you can't buy any more accounts. It's like it says, the credit card says you can't buy any more accounts, so you're forced to lock out. Well, this is the same thing. You just lock yourself out and then you can't trade it. It's impossible. Guys, I have done every dumb thing in the book before. Take this account right now. There's no reason for me to trade this. All I need is, easier said than done, all I need is another $150 day to take a payout out. There's zero reason to trade this. Now, if I'm truly on tilt on a day, let's just say I go on my take profit traders accounts and I lose it, I'll go into this account and I'll start trading it, trying to make more money, thinking, well, I'm gonna go for the max payout now, and then try to get it up to $4,100, and ended up losing this account too. I mean, tilt doesn't care. So by going into some of these accounts and just smashing that lockout has really, really saved me. Now, if you're not trading on Trade-Evade, that's fine. There is things that you can get, like third-party things like Guardian Angel, whatever. But at the end of the day, it's like you got to have that discipline to just really walk away and not touch it. It's just sometimes nothing will stop me. It's that evil gremlin that comes into my brain and says, hey, push the button, let's make more money, let's see if we can build up a buffer. Famous last words right there. Let's see if I can build up more of a buffer that's already in payout. That's what kills me the most every single time, and I end up losing those accounts or doing something dumb. So but yeah. Let's see. Yeah, walking away is hard, but I usually will save you money. Oh yeah, walking away is, I mean, right there. Best loser wins right there. I mean, that's the name of the game. Yes. Yep. This is only available on Tradeify Prop, exactly. And they have they're the ones with the risk settings and all that. Account killer in the house. What's going on? The best thing I ever tried that I thought it was useless. Yeah. The lockout button. Yes. Exactly. I never thought I'd use it either. And then I started using it with Project X. So when I was trading with Project X with Bulanox, and Lucid, actually, I used to trade Project X with Lucid, and I'd smash that lockout button, and that really saved me. I'm trying not to trade, like literally trying not to trade every day. I think I'll be profitable if I can manage that. It just came from the stream. Oh, let's go, Lit. Yeah, that's not a bad way to get your trading fix in. Come in, hang out, not watching the charts, talk about trading. Yeah, sometimes not trading is trading, right? Sometimes sitting on our hands is trading. A lot of it is just trying to be patient and waiting for something. And you can see we've had a nice move. We caught a piece of it, what I needed out of it, and then now it's going sideways. It's not really doing much. These are like little 5-point candles. It's gross. Not much you can do. This is the way the Globex has opened. I don't know, the last 2 weeks it seems like, where you get these nice little moves at the open. If your strategy or part of your strategy is trying to scalp it, like I was trying to scalp that little gap, which worked. And then after that, it's kind of like, well, gotta wait for more volatility, gotta wait for more volume to pump in. Thank you, Johnny Buys Land. Appreciate that. I missed NQ shorts at 7 a.m. on 5-minute chart. I was waiting for it to push. Never happened. Yeah. I felt like I missed today and yesterday. I felt like I missed a lot of opportunities. I just had that feeling. And now I still had good days, but man, I just felt like I left a lot on the table, you know? Hey, Adam Daz in the house. On tilt days, it can be very scary, Amana. Yeah. Slow bleed till Asia open, then fast bleed. Kind of agreeing with you, Sinister. What's up, Vanessa? Adam Daz, Jesus. What's up? Yeah, lockout button has saved me so many times. Yeah. It really is a good habit to kind of hit that. Miss K says we need 200 likes and no moose race for you. So guys, smash that like button. Do me a favor. Help me get off the YouTube blacklist. People are saying they're not getting notified. Do I recommend 25K rapid accounts? I like, you know, the funny thing is I like the 25K builders. I kind of like the 25K builder accounts, but 25K rapids are nice too. 25K builders are end of day drawdown too. You can pass them in one day, but yeah, I mean, I like the 25K rapids too. I was crushing it with the 25K builders. I'll show you. I really like them. I don't think I've gotten a payout with the rapid yet, have I? I don't even know. I don't think so. Yeah, right here. Last payouts I got with my funded futures. Builder, 25K, builder, 25K, builder, 25K. Flex payout, no longer. Another 25K builder payout. Another 25K builder payout. Oh, 50K builder payout. Oh, I did get a rapid 25K payout right there. 2 of them. Forget about that. So yeah, I guess I do. Look at these 25K rapid payouts. I guess I lied to you. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. All kinds of them. Let's go. Those are the old rapids though. Forget about those. Those were before those were intraday rapids. All right, NASDAQ, what are you gonna do here? You gonna chop around or what? Exclamation point Pine if you want to join the giveaway. Hey, what's up, JJR? What's good? Price action volume's terrible tonight. Yeah, it has been. Yeah, we're hanging out. If you guys got any questions, let's talk. And we made 160 bucks so far on that Lucid funded to lock in the day traded. But besides that, been pretty lame. We're just waiting. Let's see what gold's doing. Maybe gold's moving. Maybe let's see if we can get a trade in on gold. Nah, it's not doing anything. It's also very lame. CL, I don't even think this is the right contract. I don't even know what the right CL contract is. So if you guys are just tuning in, this is the gap I'm looking for. This is the monster open gap here on YM. We tested the high of it by 50, 60 points. Not even, actually. Be interesting if at some point it rolls over and gets down in there. What's up, Barretto in the house? What's going on? John, what's up? Yo, Jim. YouTube keeps showing me videos of pelicans eating baby ducks. Oh no. Guess we can't do the duck race. Wonder if I can run games on this PC. Probably not. I don't have much of a graphics card. It has a graphics card, but it's more like a mini PC, like a Chromebook specs, except it has a lot more RAM. What GPU do you have? Yeah, it's like non-existent. No, I was just kind of like wondering if I could run like marbles or something, like eventually, like do some fun games while the market gets slow. Built-in graphics. It's probably built-in graphics. It's yeah, I think it's, let me look it up. It's probably built in. I love it for what I use it for, but so yeah, it's built in. Wow, it's gone up in price. I think I paid a lot less for it. Right now it's $465. I paid a lot less. I think I paid like $350. AMD. AMD Radeon 780M graphics, it says. Because of RAM, yeah. I think I have 32. Yeah, 32 RAM. I'm not a PC guy. You don't need much from Marvels. Hey, what's up, Alpine in the house? What's up? I'll have to mess around with that over the weekend, see if I can get that fired up. That'll be fun. PC's going up in price? No way. Yeah. Could make some money on it. I mean, the thing's tiny. I mean, it's literally, it's like this big. And I got 3 monitors going. I got Streamlabs running. It's pretty cool. You can run an external GPU setup, if anything. Oh, okay. Probably run some PC games in low settings. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. You get some buffering at the moose races sometime. Yeah, I think. I mean, I don't have the. I have internet. Some, you know, the best internet that I can really get. I'm pretty limited on what I can get. So, I think that's the main issue. Is the internet. Streamlabs is a hog compared to OBS. Oh, okay. Yeah, when I first started, I was using OBS, and then for some reason I just went over to Streamlabs and was using that. And some long form videos could be an idea. Yeah, Alpine, it's funny. Yeah, we were talking about that earlier. Ooh, are we gonna get a little pop-up? Orling port or USB 4 external GPU, devils. Oh, okay. I sold 32 gigabyte DD4 RAM I had sitting around for $400. RAM prices are insane right now. Oh, wow, helpful. Yeah, that's probably it. I mean, this PC, actually the one I just looked at is 16 gigabyte of RAM, and that was $450. This one has 32 gigabyte of RAM, so it's the same case, pretty much the same model, except this one is a little bit upgraded. Get a little pop up here out of nowhere. Double inside bar. Didn't really expect that. Switch accounts here. So unfortunately, I made $1,615 on this account. I did not mean to. So I'm gonna have to make $3,200 to get this pass now, which sucks. Thought about Starlink? Yeah, I have. I've thought about it. What's up, Nate? Do all daily payout accounts have 3-day pass? Do all with all the companies? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Actually. Yeah, I think all the daily payout accounts now are 3-day pass. Barreto. Let's go. Extra long, John. Yeah, it just came out of nowhere. Probably gonna push up to 311s. Just gonna try anyway. Can I just lose some so you're not over the half? Yeah, I should have lost some yesterday though, Kiwi. That's I forgot. I got busy doing something and I forgot about this account, and I should have lost $115 yesterday. So now it's already locked in for that day, so we're gonna make a little more. No big deal. We'll try. If not, then lose to 2 days. Yeah. Yeah, you can pass it in 2 days. They have a pretty good grace too, where if you're not this much grace, but like a 20 bucks or under, usually they'll pass you. Look at this little move here on NASDAQ. How's the day going with the accounts? Yeah, it was a good day. Nice daily payouts today. That's what was important. Little daily payouts. And locked in 150. I just need one more day on this Lucid. Take a little Lucid payout. Sorry you were driving, didn't realize you sent it in Spanish. That's all right. Los sabios de pesca en la cocina. I don't even know what that means, but hey, what's up, Mighty Mouse? Zero. What's going on? TPT 3-day pass now is awesome. Gaining 2 days is like huge. Oh, for sure. Yeah, this 2-day pass for Take Profit Trader is absolutely insane. And nothing else has changed. So, and it's right now it's 50% off, guys. And it's supposedly it's only going to be for this week only. So thank you for using code PINE with Take Profit Trader. Take advantage of it right now. 50% off. Here's my sales pitch. Really though, this is, I mean, even Alpine will tell you, this is the cheapest it's probably ever going to get. I can almost promise you that. That is just not, that's just not, no fluff there. They don't ever go that low, so. Hey, let's go, Kevin. Let's go. I was waiting to see someone got that reference. You must be a Stern fan. Let's go. Yes. Big Howard Stern fan. I listened to Howard Stern for years when I was working at the post office in my headphones every single day for probably 10 to 15 years. Yeah, that's where I got that that little Spanish there. So TBT rarely does 50, but with 3 days is much better. I got 3 pass. Let's go, Alpine. Alpine's gonna start slaying those daily payouts. I know it. He loves TPT. Waiting for my car title loan to get approved for some TPTs. Let's go. All right. I don't know. I mean, do I try a little long here? On the right account? Yeah. All right, I'm tagged in a little long here. I'm just looking for a scalp up to these zero prints, more for tradertainment here. Get some zero prints up here at 310s, 311s, which makes sense. That's right where that gap is. So just as I do it, it drops off that Harami candle. Let's add in here. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. So this is a Lucid eval. Gonna try to get it to $3,200. Let's get this bad boy passed. This is another reason, guys. This is another reason, like, you guys come into the chat and you say you feel defeated because you lost a funded account, but you probably passed your account in like 1 to 5 days. And in order to do that, I mean, we're completely over leveraging. Look at this. Just what is this? I ain't going anywhere, so But yeah, you usually completely over leverage, and then so that way when you get into the funded account, it's like, you know, you really got to try to pump the brakes, and that's easier said than done, because the reality is not many of us, now there's a few, not many of us are spending 5-6 months trying to pass an eval. It's usually trying to pass it in the minimum amount of time. A lot of us, it's the 1-day pass thing. So you really have to trade the evals differently than the fundeds. And if you don't, then you're going to lose fundeds too. And it's okay if your return on investment is still good. But, you know, some like people are like, well, you know, they feel really defeated when they lose the funded account. Well, at the end of the day, the funded account still only costs you what you paid for the eval usually, because a lot of times there's no activation fee to get into that funded. So my friend Alpine Trader in the chat right now was the one that sort of brought that to my attention way back when I was a young pine cone, and said that on his stream one day, and I was like, "Boy, that really clicked with me." It was like, yeah, it's like there's no need to be nervous when I got that funded account. It's just I paid $80 for that account. It's the same. I mean, I paid $80 for the eval. It's the same when I got to the funded stage. I still only paid $80 for it. So I kind of helped get over that little anxiety back before, well, that was probably a few years ago. Now we're at the big pine tree. Yes. But yeah. Still looking for that zero print up there. Come on, man. Anyone watching The Hawk on Netflix? I just finished The Hawk, season 1. Will Ferrell. Pretty good. Pretty funny. I don't really like this. We gotta get above that 300 now. I'm gonna take off one and just a little risk here. I don't want to risk all that. Nice little bull flag here now. Been watching Vikings. Oh, nice little Joe. Yeah, football season's starting up. We get nervous because of losing money, but because of losing opportunity, I think. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. I used to, it was just like so much struggle that, like when I got a funded account, my like hands would shake. I'd get nervous. My stomach would get tight. As soon as I got a funded account, it was nuts. I'm stuck on Silo. The show is good. Silo, huh? I've never seen. I don't know. Oh, the new Lantern show on HBO had a good pilot too. Yeah, I don't know what Silo is. Yes, opportunity costs. Is still real. Yeah, for sure, it's still real. But what I'm saying is that, like, if you're in a trade, like in this trade right now, it's like we're not really up $110 because it doesn't really mean anything. This is essentially monopoly money until we get that funded account over the buffer, you know. But yeah, compared to like if I was trading as TPTs, that is the main difference when you're trading take profit trader accounts. Is once you're over $2,000, it's essentially like a real live money account, because you know if I make $20 or $50 on this trade, or if I'm down $100, it's like I can't take out that money now, and that's when it starts to feel real. That's when reality kicks in. But for me, it just came with reps. Just like keep doing the reps over and over and over and over again. Fail many times, and then eventually it just becomes normal, where you're in a trade, you're up $500-600 in a trade, or a couple $1,000s in a trade, and knowing that you can still take it out at the end of the day, it just really just becomes, I don't know, the norm. It's nice when you get to that point. Like, I wish yesterday was today's price action. I love today, but yesterday got crushed. Yeah, I didn't trade much after the market opened. I didn't really trade much. I traded a little bit during the power hour, but then that was pretty much it. Silo is a sci-fi show. Oh, okay. What's up, P Long in the house? What's up? Knees weak, mom spaghetti. Exactly. Point, what's up? Seeing a lot of new people in the chat. What's happening? Welcome to the stream. If you guys are new here, I do stream every single night, Sunday night through Thursday, 5:45 p.m. Eastern time till right around 8 p.m. Eastern time, and stream every single morning on My Funded Futures TV from 9 to 10:30. Which actually goes by pretty quick. All right, can we tag these zero prints right here? We got, so on the histogram, you can see we have some zeros sitting right up in here. We have some more too, way up there, 326, but I'm gonna target these ones first. Could take one off there and then see what happens. 310.75. You see the spread is nasty. I'd almost be better off trading micros. Spread's a little tighter. You see the spread in micros a little bit tighter. NQ can be pretty gross. Although, you know, the commissions that eat you up. Pena, how they just restructured the show. They just kept people that he wanted. Pena, yeah. I mean, I don't know. It's just they wanted to shorten the show up, keep it more streamlined. So that's why they cut off the end of the show. PW gave me a shout out today. Nice. I got to go down to the BDH. I got to go down with Alpine. Alpine and I got to do the BDH together sometime. I've been there. I just haven't been a guest there. There we go. There's 1 TP. Pena, you like the 4 of us in the morning? Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, we try pretty good. We put a lot of work in the show. Terry especially. Terry's does a lot of work behind the stream. So I don't know if she's listening tonight, but she does a lot of work coming up with the questions and doing all that stuff. So should have came by next week. Yeah, I probably should have. Yeah, I've been down to the Florida one. Went down to the BDH, met D Money. Matter of fact, D Money was not even hired yet when I met him. So he was a baby D money, but nice little good time. All right, currently up 450 on this account. He was just D-cents, that's right. Commissions on micros is killer. Scalping a few ticks, but doesn't matter much beyond it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. How do I know when to add to a trade? Oh, that just comes with. So I like to add to trades just based off purely off. It's really, really tough. It's kind of purely based off feel, on momentum during New York. I really like to add to trades. Ooh, come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. What? What? Really? I'm gonna add to this trade right here. Speaking of adding to trades, I'm gonna add to this trade. I'm gonna add even harder. See if we can go for those zero prints. I don't see a reason why we leave the zeros and that single print right there. So sometimes what I do is the person that asks when I add to trades. So I picture this. This is sometimes what I do. I picture adding to, because I'm not a DCA trader. I don't like to really DCA. To me, it's basically I'm adding to a loser to hope it goes back to my break even or positive. That's just because it's not my style. I like to trade on momentum. And so what I do is I like to pretend that, like, if I was adding to a losing trade right here, how many times have I blown up accounts by adding to a losing trade? And so I pretend that if I keep adding to this account, then I'm going to make more and more money. So that's kind of what I put in my head. If that makes sense. I know it's a weird, but it's just like a psychological thing. Because, like, how many times have I just go, how many times have I added to a losing trade and then blown up an account? I look at it like, well, if I add into this winning trade and it's moving in the direction I like, then maybe it'll be a good possibility that I get over that buffer or pass that account and use that $2,000 drawdown that I have. So that's just kind of the logic that I put in my head. And it's basically off momentum, and it's like, where's my stop or break even gonna be, and can I risk it? Is it still in a good spot? I don't like to add and then have add so much that my break even is gonna be like right here, and then that way if it pulled back, say 30-40 points off this, then I'm gonna blow the account. But yeah, it's not really like a system where I'm like, oh, I'm adding every 10 points or every 20 points or something like that. It's just, and especially like to add if I have a spot on the chart or on the DOM in this case, where I'm like, well, it could be a good little spot where we're going to take this out. Now it seems like it wants to play games because it's like it knows it's there. So it doesn't want to take it out right now. We got to the top of the hour here in 5 minutes. Currently up right around $800 on this trade. Looking for more. Not looking at the chat, guys. I'm just trying to focus on here what this is going to do. I don't really want to be a dick for a tick, but can't believe I missed my TP by, I don't even know, 3 ticks? 4 ticks? Come on, get your ass up there. Double inside bar. Let's break it to the upside. Little bull flag. NQ loves missing TPs. I know. Jeez. Come on, just run it. Okay, nice little sweep below this prior bar's low. Will this give us enough to get that pump? What's up, Alfred? Love when the market freezes. I know, right? We're going to try to add. I almost feel like I want to add again. It is too. It's frozen. Sitting right at 322.25. Get up there, man. For you, Starlink is fine. Yeah. Once I started adding to winners instead of losers, my trading changed for the better. You have to know when to add. Yeah, it definitely takes some practice. I like to use 50% target as a place to add to winners. That's not bad. I like that. Love. Do you think My Funded Futures Pro will go down and everyone will move to My Funded Futures Rapid End of Day? No, I still think the Pro is probably one of the best accounts, but the Rapid End of Day is probably second best that My Funded Futures has. I think they'll keep the Pro around. I think. And no one really has an account like the Pro, that My Funded Futures Pro. It's pretty sweet. Any reasons for this in Globex? What do you mean? Like, oh, pull a YOLO with 3 minis and bang. Nice. How do I know when to add to contracts? I don't. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I was just kind of talking about it. It's kind of a feel, based on feel. And it's nice to know, like I kind of think like, well, it's a high probability that we might take out this level on the DOM because you can see the zero prints here, so it's a high probability, and so that's always a nice spot to be adding into the winner too when it's pushing to that spot. Same with like this morning when it started to push, so it swept above the 5-minute ORB and then came back down. Now the 5-minute ORB or 15-minute ORBs, they're not 100% win rate trades, right? So oftentimes both sides of the 5-minute and the 15-minute likes to get taken out, and I love fading that. So if you get a nice reversal back down, so let's just say this morning 5-minute ORB broke above. I love once it's put in the reversal and started to push down towards the low end of the 5-minute ORB, then that's a beautiful spot to add aggressively because it's going on momentum, and you kind of could feel it pushing down on momentum, and it's like, what's the target going to be? Well, it's probably going to take out the first 5-minute low, and so that's what I kept thinking, and that was a nice trade this morning that I took because of this. I can't believe this. Right now we just don't have the volume to push it up through there, but little sweeps below here. We get a little engulfing candle would be nice. Come on, like this. Let's engulf this bad boy. If this was a TPT daily payout account, I would have already took profit. I wouldn't be sitting through this, but because I got to try to make as much money as I can on this eval, it's like, yeah, I'm trying to go for the extra couple $100. But yeah, if this was a funded TPT over 2,000, it's like, yeah, I would already, I ain't sitting through this. It's like I wouldn't be holding court for this 26.25. I'd have been like, yeah, I'll take the $500 and run. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button, exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Tradeify 50K select. That is the daily payout account or the flex account. So you get to select which one you want once you get funded. So gonna give away one of those for free. Also gonna give away one to a member tonight. I'm gonna do that in probably about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. So just breathing and relaxing, just see if it wants to bull flag here and keep going higher. The session may become my session if it all works. Oh no. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's already getting painful. I'm hoping to land a job with a city or a county or state. Got some interviews coming up, so wish me luck. Oh, that's good luck. Mopar, let's wish Mopar luck. He's got some interviews coming up for the city, county, or state. Great jobs there. I used to work for the state of Maine for a little while, and then I went and worked for the Postal Service. But yeah, I worked for the state. That was actually a really good job. The state job that I had, it was the one of the best jobs I've ever had. It just didn't quite pay enough where I was able to stay, but yeah, I was working for the Parks and Recreation department. So basically it was the beach. I got to hang out at Reed State Park. I worked at Reed State Park for the state in Maine. So you guys can Google that, Reed State Park. That's where I worked. What a good job to have, especially when I was, geez, what was I? Probably 17, 18 years old. working down at the beach. That was rough. Benefits are unmatched here in Colorado. Yeah, that's the same in the state of Maine. The benefits were great. Look at this garbage. Missed my TP by just a few ticks and then it's pulled back. Really thought we'd go there. Very much bull flagging here. Look at gold. Oh, gold moving. Oh yeah, gold taking off finally. You know what? I'm going for it, guys. I'm all in. I liked it. We'll see. We'll see. We'll make 1100 on this trade if it works. If it doesn't, if it decides to kaboosh real quick, it'll be bad. But kind of like it. Nice little bull flag break here. Come on, break that wick there. Gold taking off. Come on, this is my favorite song of the session. Pay me what I'm owed. This jam right here. Oh, right back down in here. You dirty, dirty NASDAQ. Just toying with us. Colorado Springs for you? Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I really want to go to Colorado. I want to go to Black Hawk. Hawk, like the bird. Guys, Black Hawk, like the bird. Colorado. That's where the casinos are. That's where all the casinos are. Yeah. The casinos. I just ate some pizza, beer, and ice cream. I feel fat, M. Schultz. Boy, I'm counting calories today. That sounds delicious, though. Beer, pizza, and ice cream. That is, you're speaking my language. That's my love language right there. Beer, pizza, and ice cream. Very nice area. Yeah, I really want to go take a trip there. Fading Pine, I hope it doesn't bite me. At this point, I don't know. Better than the Cripple Creek casinos. Yeah, it looks really nice. It looks kind of cool. I like how it's just like sitting in the wilderness and all these casinos. So it looks a lot different than Vegas. Vegas is fun too, but yeah, it looks kind of cool. And then Red Rocks. You know, that's like a bucket list thing to go to Red Rocks. See a concert or show there. Unbelievable. This trade. Get in there. That's right. Do you do London session off stream? No, I'm sleeping. I'm on the East Coast. I'm on East Coast time especially in my brain. So no, I don't do London. If I do, I'm tilted. Buff handsome guy. Buff handsome guy. If I'm trading London, I am tilted to the gills. And I've probably been up all night trading. So you have to see Mount Rushmore once in your lifetime, go into summer. Black Hill, South Dakota. Oh yeah, I'd love to do that too. I'd love to take a motorcycle out there. I used to ride a lot, so I've had some Harleys and things like that. So I'd love to do the Sturgis and do the South Dakota and Black Hills, all that. Definitely. Those are the best nights. Oh, they hurt though. Now that I actually have to get, so I kind of have a job to do on My Fun Futures TV. So I got to make sure I get my ass out of bed. And yeah, it's like staying up too late. You'll see it when I come on stream on My Fun Futures, and I'm like dragging ass. I usually say like, oh man, I was up all night trading, but yeah, those are bad nights. So what I'm trying to do is really not trade much at night at all. I do like to trade sometimes during Asia after stream, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. It really affects my sleep if I get in trouble. And specifically, if I get my take profit trader accounts in trouble after I take that payout and I start streaming, I start trading them. And if at night during Asia, if I get in trouble, then it's like, oh boy, that can send me a little tilt. Trying to be patient here. It's not looking good. We are just bull flagging like crazy, but it's fading. It's fading, fading, fading. PTS is real? Oh, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's usually when I'm in trouble, when I'm trading the if I'm trading in London. If I see Tom Sabo in London, that means I'm up way too late, because I'm not up there. I'm not up that early. I'm up too late, because I usually go to bed right around midnight or so. I'm usually wound up after this stream. I'm usually wound up and hungry, just from the adrenaline of streaming and trading, and then takes me a bit to get calmed down. So I usually go stuff my face after the stream, and then pop on maybe little My Funded Futures for a bit while I'm eating, just to see what the market's doing. And then wait for take profit trader payouts. And I can't effing believe that I missed my TP by 3-4 ticks. What was that? 25.50, and I was looking for 26.25. Seriously? I still like to trade. It's just playing games. What's the name of the inside bar indicator? Yeah, it's LDT inside outside bar. Where is it? LDT inside outside bars, or bars. That's what we say up in Maine. Bars. I like the New York session. August price action. I'm from New York, but try to stay up for London. Oh, you like to trade London? Yeah. I don't. No. I don't try to stay up for London. I mean, I've traded London before, but I thought about streaming London once before in my to try to get more subscribers and things, but then I was like, nah, I like to go to sleep. Bahaba, that's right. How do I trade inside outside bars? Well, not a good example tonight, but I like to take the breaks on the 5-minute chart. So as soon as it breaks below, I just go short, or if it breaks above, I go long. Stop goes above or below on the 5. On the 2-minute, I like to look for combo trades. So inside, outside, any sort of combo where you have an engulfing type of candle or something like that. Then I like to take the breaks of that. I got videos on it. If you want to join my, I was gonna say, if you guys want to join my paid Discord, you can see the videos. No, it's all under YouTube, the YouTube long forms, short forms. But yeah, just look at my long form videos I've made. But I just look for breaks and then stop goes above or below those. But yeah. I feel like I should use the lockout button right now. Do it. Not financial advice, but do it. If you feel like you want to hit the lockout button, hey, maybe you just hit the lockout button for an hour. But hang out on the stream. Don't leave. I need all the eyes I can get. But yeah, maybe you just hit it for an hour. Take a break. Nothing wrong with that. come back when the market picks up a little bit in 45 minutes, which the market probably will pick up in about 45 minutes. I can't believe this trade is so frustrating. So frustrating. All right, here we go. You're listening. You were listening. Let's rip those shorts faces off now. You can go up there. Come on. You're gonna pull back right here again? No, you're not. You're gonna take out those zero prints. Come on. Come on, market makers. Don't tool with me like this. Oh, what are you doing? I mean, this clearly has to be, this probably has to be repaired right here. I mean, you have a single print, you have zero prints, you have 10 orders that got filled at 327. You got 10 orders that got filled here at 325. Now you got, there we go. Thank you. $1,174. Booyah. Banger. All right, so I gotta get this account to $3,200. That's annoying, but we can do it. All right. Hey, what's up, Redfish? What's going on, man? Oh, that's cool. Appreciate that. He was exposing all the trading scammers and gave me some props. Oh, nice. Appreciate that. Yeah, if you guys are hanging out, if you're new to the channel, I stream every single night from 5:45 Eastern time to 8 p.m. Eastern time. Sunday night through Thursday, pretty much, and then sometimes I'll in between there during the day or whatever. But I stream in the morning for My Funded Futures TV, so I'm one of the hosts over there as well. So every morning from 9 to 10:30. Appreciate it, guys. Smash that like button. We are giving away a Tradeify 50K select. Thank you for using code PINE. If you're picking up any accounts tonight or tomorrow or whenever, use code PINE. I appreciate the support of this channel. And then going on to 10,000 subs, which is amazing. So really appreciate that, guys. Quite awesome. Appreciate it. If you guys are just tuning in, we caught a nice few trades. We got a nice little banger off the open. So right here, you guys know I like to trade those open gaps. So we took a nice little scalp, got it in our days traded on Lucid. Hopefully we can get that payout, and then a nice little $1,174 to try to get this Lucid Flex account passed. And had a banger day on the Take Profit Trader daily payout accounts. So nice $332 times 4 plus 659. So that puts us on a really nice little win streak here with the Take Profit Trader accounts. Here's the calendar right here for the pros. Boom. So nice little win streak copy trading these accounts. And once I got over the buffer, I pretty much just been trading micros, except on one account. I like to sling that one around, but nice little win streak here going. So quite happy. Exclamation point PINE in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. We will do that giveaway pretty soon. Probably hop off. We're gonna do members only tonight, and we're gonna do a But first we'll do a regular for you grays. For all you grays in the chat, we'll do one of those. Although members have been taking it. I promise you they only get one entry, but it must be some good karma. Because last night we had a member take the win. So hey, what's up, Truian? Got through the buffer on my MyFunded Futures Pro account. Let's go. Eddie T, I will try to recipe Pine Tree Trader full board 4 minis and hoping the market will eat the zeros. Yeah, I mean, so I added, I don't know if you saw that, but I started with 1 and then I added into that winning trade. And then once it got just a few ticks away, I kept adding. Let's take a look at the fills here. I felt confident. Yeah, see, I added into it, hoping that it would take out that. But nice little position. And to me, like, that's more my style than adding into it, like trying to DCA dollar cost average when I'm in the red. It usually never works out for me. So that's kind of like how I like to trade. Usually it happens a little more. I like to hope that it happens a little more quick than that, but it was a little painful. I'm glad it worked out, right? You have an idea and you pull the trigger on the idea and then hope it works out, and just throw on that risk, that stop loss risk. For me, the risk was could have been great, but it worked out. So yeah, nice little trade there. I'm happy with that. I wish I was on the 5 TPT funded, but I'm gonna wait to take that payout because that's a nice little daily payout. Hey, what's up? Simplistic Videos in the house. What's going on, man? Miss K in the house. I want to thank Miss K. I want to thank the rest of the mods too for holding it down every single night. TJP. You guys know who you are. Nate. You guys have been with me for a long time. Holding it down every night. Can always count on you guys for popping in here. Mo Bro is always in here. Moto Timo, all the members, all you regulars. I'm gonna do something real quick. I just want to try something. This is an experiment. I want to see who's been in here the longest. Sometimes, let's see if we can do this here. This is just for fun. And then we'll get ready to do that giveaway, guys. Promised. You guys gotta hit that like button though. Miss K says. Well, where's my stream here? See, I can't even find my own stream. This is just a little experiment. I want to see. All right, if I do this, customize. All right, let's see who's been here over a year. Don't go anywhere, guys. This is just an experiment. Let's see who's been here over a year. Can anyone type in the chat? Anyone? Hey, TJP's up in there. Let's go. Visible ID. Let's go. We got a year in there. Miss K. Oh, KD. Helpful. Let's go. Let me see. Let's go. More than one trader's nest. I like that. I like that. Let's see if we can go. Pawn to Juan. Donna. Yeah, Donna, you've been around a while too. Yep. MACD. Like that. I don't know. Have I been Power Pack Tube? I've never seen you in the chat. He's been lurking. Let's go. I like that. Digital Nukes. Yo Jim. JLD 54. Sovereignty. OG's up in here. Let's try this. NQ Dark Lord. Let's go. Let's try. I don't even know. Have I been streaming for 2 years? Let's try 2 years. I don't know if I've been streaming for 2 years. Maybe I have. Yeah, Miss K is right here. Or maybe Miss K. I think you guys can. I think the mods. I think the mods can. No, maybe not. 500 subs when I started. That's probably why you guys are. Yeah. All right, yeah, that was just a little experiment. That was fun. Thanks, guys. That was a little experiment here. All right, market's pushing down here. Where are we at? Where are we at with the giveaway here? 237 people. In this case, the stalker, yeah. I think it should have been longer, but not 1 year yet. Yeah, when did I start streaming? When did I start talking to the wall? Because that's what it started out to be. Let's see. So it says 1 year ago. I don't know what the date was though. One year ago. 8 hours. Look, 8 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, 5 hours. $11 views. 9 views. This is when I got. This is the. I guess this would be the one I first got a camera. And I had no light. So you can see me down there in the corner. I was actually trading on my personal account. Isn't that crazy? And I had no light. So that was the very first. And then look, Joey Morgan came in the chat. Isn't that funny? But yeah, that was it. That was the very first stream with no with a camera and a microphone. All right, guys. Enough of the nostalgia. Let's do a giveaway. That's what you guys are all here for. Let's do a quick shotgun here. We'll hop off a little early tonight. That was a great little trade, great little segment. But let's do a giveaway here. Let's start it. One more time. I give you guys 45 seconds. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Get it in real quick. We're gonna do a shotgun to freshen up the giveaway. So if you haven't, if you gotta punch it in again, exclamation point pine in the chat. Giving away a 50K Tradeify select account. 45 seconds. Exclamation point pine. 15 seconds. Get it in. This kind of helps the bots, eliminate the bots. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closing the trades. Closing the entries. All right. Let's do a race. You guys ready to do a race? Let's do it. So we've given away accounts every single night this week. The other day we gave away a members only race after it was a secret, and a lot of people left. There was a few members here, and we did one. We actually gave away 3 accounts that night. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Must be present to win. 50K TradeIfy Select. And guess what? I got some more accounts to give away next week, guys. So don't go anywhere. I'm here every single night. Here we go. Slinging contracts, giving away accounts. Appreciate the support. Let's do it. Oh, I need my Moose Race hat. Shit. Here we go. We got GV on the inside lane. We got Volatility. We got Dufour. We got Rick 5271. HR pushing out to that lead right now. I see Scalper. I see Kevin, my fellow Howard Stern fan. Tim Korth. Miss K in the middle of the pack. Just that's a good place to be right there, Miss K. Sitting right there in the middle, just hanging out, ready to take that lead. Who is it going to be? We got John DeFore. 50-40. Just pacing himself. ES Futures. Miss K making that run with 50 seconds. I don't know. That might be a little... Miss K out to the lead. Oh, falling back. Miss K's falling back. Oh, here comes Simplistic Videos taking the lead. Miss K hit that boost a little bit too soon. Who's it gonna be? ES Futures. It's 15 seconds. It's a tight race. Shane Boast trying to make a run. Shane Boast, can they hold the lead? With 7 seconds, but out of nowhere. Who is this? Wow, that was a close race. Daryl Hambrador. Daryl Hambrador. Wow, I love TradeIfy Goaty, second place, almost won again. But finishing in second. Rage GT right up there in third place. But Daryl Hambrador, congratulations. Let's go. I like it. He's even got a profile pic, so probably not a bot, so that's great. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Congratulations. Mark is chopping around here, putting in inside, outside bars like mad, just chopping sideways. Let's see. All right. Daryl, are you in the Discord by chance? If anyone wants to join the Discord, it's completely free. Let me throw that in the chat as well. Make sure I'm throwing in the right Discord. There it is. Just don't be a bot and don't be a douche. And let's see. There it is. There's the Discord. What camera and mic do I use? I have a Shure mic. And I have an Elgato face cam. You'll join right now, Daryl? Nice. Yeah, just let me know. Maybe I hit the wrong one. There's the link again. Just let me know your Discord name. We will do a members only race right after this. Get rid of that. Go to that. Get rid of this. I'm also Daryl. We're all Daryl. All right, let's just do that other moose race here, or let's do a members only race. Let's see, where you guys at? All right. All right, market, nice. Wow, a little drop there on the market. Nice little move there. We top ticked that zero print, so that's nice. Daryl, what's your screen name for Discord? Just want to make sure it's you. I don't want to. Let's go, Frick. Thanks for joining the Discord. Free to use, free to chat, talk about the markets, talk about props, whatever you guys want to do. Post pictures of food if you want. Matter of fact, Apple just posted a picture of a hot dog. Let's go. H Daryl on Discord. All right, cool. I'll look for you. All right, let's do that members only here. Thank you, members. Appreciate that. Let's do that members only race. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you're a member. What race are we gonna do? Let's do. I think we've pretty much done every single one. It's getting close to fall here. Let's do this one. All right, members, you in? Looks like everyone's in, all the members. All right. Let me close the entries. Thank you, members. I think Liberetto wins, yeah. He's been pretty lucky. I seen him winning over My Funded Futures, too. Here we go. Let's shuffle it up. Oh, did I just mess this up? What happened? Set. There we go. Let's do it. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Get Tony Lanes as the clown. We have Miss K as the, looks like a dragon or something, or something. I don't even know. OMH is the mummy. We got JLD 54. It's a double. The Heather is the, I don't even know, the crazy person. I don't even know what these characters are. The Monster Mash, that's right. All right, 10 seconds. No way. Frick. Frick. Frick TP won. Let's go. And he's in the Discord. I already seen him. So congratulations, Frick. Let's take a look. Wild Deuce is in second. So close. It's Mobro in third. Miss K in fourth. JLD 54 fifth. Forex Elite sixth. Nomadic Trade seventh. Cali St. Louis fan. Liberato, Tony Lanes, Britt Martin, HR, Heather, Yeezus, TJP, Apple, Mototimo, and OMH, and finishing last place. Let's go. All right, so Daryl and Frick, I will message you guys in just a minute after I hop off stream. Wow, nice little push back up here. So the market get a little tricky. If you guys are just tuning in, we caught some nice trades. Up $1,174. Hopefully I can get this account passed pretty soon. 2 treats by membership. Oh, thanks, Yo Jim. $199 tip. You didn't have to do that. Appreciate that. Got nice daily payouts today. Locked in 163 on this account tonight to lock in the days traded. That's gonna do it for me. That's gonna do it for me for the week for this channel. I'll probably try to make some short videos or something over the weekend, maybe a long form if I get really motivated. But I really appreciate the support all week long. Thank you for using code PINE with all the top prop firms: Apex, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bielnox. Thanks for supporting this medium-sized channel, I would say. I appreciate the support though, and we're not babies anymore, which is a good feeling. But thank you so much, and have a great weekend. Right? If I don't see you guys, have a good weekend. Make sure you hug the ones you love. You never know when the last time you're gonna see them, so give them a big old hug when you leave. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on My Funded Futures TV if you want to hang out. And if not, I'll see you right back here Sunday night at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be right back. Thank you for the memberships. Thank you, Yo Jim. Appreciate the $1.99, the tip there. And peace out, guys. Thanks a lot. This is a good stream. I like it. Feels good to end the week on a good stream. Let's go.
Talking freedom.
Peace.
From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex LIVE-TRadeify, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the TradeifY flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, Funded Futures TV. Shout out Apex. Shout out Tradeify. Keep it lucid. We out.